paano nga ba ang kitaan sa ganitong klaseng business, itong cleaning services? So sige, mag-example tayo. So as you can see sa Google, you will check there na nasa 2,000 plus to 6,000 plus yung cleaning services. So 5,000 times 5 days para Monday to Friday, that's 25,000 pesos per week. And kung ito times 4 mo siya, you have 100,000 pesos. Ang tanong, is this enough? So there are things that you should be considering. First is yung payroll. You have to consider yung overtime, government contribution. If you have 2 people, for example, na pinapasweldohan mo ng 20,000 pesos, so i-times 2 mo yan, that's 40,000 pesos. In short, meron ka pang 60,000 pesos para sa ibang mga bayarin. So, ano yung mga bayarin na yun? So, for example, we have the transportation, the cleaning supplies like multipurpose cleaner, equipment maintenance, or para kang nagre-rent kasi dun sa ginagamit mong equipments, which is yours naman talaga. And of course, yung marketing cost mo to get that client, and admin costs or miscellaneous fees na nasa company mo, and then taxes and duties pa. So, as you can see here, kung 60,000 pesos for this, masyado siyang maliit. So, ano ngayon ang gagawin mo kapag 60,000 na lang para dito? Kung titingnan mo, halos wala ka nang kikitain eh. So, kailangan mong gawin, mag-increase ka ng price or mag-increase ka ng customers. So, pinakamainam dyan na gawin is mag-increase ka ng customers. And if you do, mag-increase din naman yung payroll mo, mag-increase din yung transportation mo at yung mga iba pang bagay. Now, I checked on this. So, this is from BCB Clean Co. And ang ganda ng website nila, in fairness. Pwede kang magpa-quote. Punta ka lang sa website nila. So, nag-try ako. For example, yung bahay mo is 300 square meters. And nakalagay dito, meron kang 2 floors. Ibig sabihin, yung total summary mo is 39,000 pesos. Just for one-time deep cleaning services lang dito sa company na to. Imagine having this revenue doon sa isang client pa lang. So, remember yung sabi ko sa inyo na importante talaga yung positioning. Because if you'll be able to position yourself sa market, definitely hindi lang 5,000 yung pwede mong ma-price o ma-presyo doon sa serbisyo na binibigay mo. So, kung katulad ka nung isang company na pinakita ko, at 39,000 pesos for 2 floors at 300 square meters, for example, dahil na-position mo yung company mo sa market ng maayos, so you are already targeting yung mga may buying power. 39,000 pesos times 20 days, that's 780,000 pesos. So, imagine earning this much sa isang branch pa lang. So, what if meron ka pang isang branch? So, times 2, that's 1.5 million pesos. Example, sa branch mo naman yun sa Makati. So, yes, this is very profitable, especially if you know how to do the math, you know how to do the marketing, the positioning, and everything. Kung titingnan mo, ang laki na niya, but you have to consider also the training after every 3 months. You also have your marketing and advertising cost para to get one client. So, if you ask me if I will still recommend this cleaning services for a business, still I won't recommend it for those people who don't know how to run the business. But if you know how to run the business, this is very good. Pwede kang kumita ng malaki. All you have to do is to learn the skills and you're good to go.